Hello traders, the title of the video is how to handle Elliott wave forecasts like a pro. Alright, so we know that we can use the Elliott wave principle, the Elliott wave pattern to forecast the financial market, to forecast the next price move. All right. Now, how do we handle the Elliott wave forecast like a pro? So, do you remember the last time somebody or an Elliott wave practitioner, or you watch a video on YouTube and they say that this stock will do this, or that stock will go up to this point, or that stock will exhibit a specific Elliott wave pattern. Now, at the time when you are watching that video, or at the time when you receive that Elliott wave forecast, all right, you have an expectation, all right, you have an expectation, and with the chart analysis, with the wave count, there was a forecast. Now you are given that forecast, and you must make decision accordingly. How do you handle the Elliott wave forecast, like a pro? This is the challenge. And I have one very interesting example here. I recommend to trader to watch the full length for this video, all right, even if you don't like my beautiful accent, all right. So I counted the Elliott wave last time. You can see here, I still have all my drawing on the chart here. So this was my first wave, second wave, all right, with a big question mark on it, because it came almost to the beginning of the first wave at that point in time. And the financial instrument that we are looking at is a Baidu, the China Baidu, listed, on the New York exchange, or New York Stock Exchange, all right. So Baidu, the Google of China, all right. Here it is. So we call this first wave, second wave, because my second wave almost came to the beginning of my first wave. But just go with me. So that was my first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, which was a triangle, and the fifth wave has been subdivided into 5 minor waves. So from here all the way up here, we have 5 waves. That's where I place the vertical line. I still have my line here. So then we see the correction that has started here, 1, 2, 3, and then we see 1, 2. We are expecting a flat correction, because the internal waves of the flat correction are 3, 5, yes or no? So 1, 2, 3 is already in place. We see 1, 2. We were expecting it to go up, either to form a classic flat correction. That's why I put a spot here, and or an expanded flat correction, bringing the price at 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the 5th Elliott wave. So you have all the line that I have here for Baidu, expecting Baidu to go up. So you will agree with me that was an Elliott wave forecast, that the expectation that Baidu may continue to go up to reach at least the level of a $250 zone, maximum, even above $304 zone. So this is an Elliott wave forecast. Now, suppose you receive that forecast, how do you handle it? Right? That's the question. How do we handle it like a pro? Now, because I was looking at the chart today, and I say, all right, so far we are not there yet. What's going on? All right, how do we handle that? So I'll record a video today to show you how you handle it, Now, quickly to speak to a trader that asked me to record a video about how we handle the candlestick bar, the tails and the shadow of candlestick bar. I'm looking on my chart. Once I see one good example, I'll record that video, all right? So don't think that I've forgotten your question, all right, about the tail and the shadow, all right? So we are here now. We are expecting a flat correction. Was an Elliott wave forecast. The best approach, all right, to handle Elliott wave forecast is to, once you receive the forecast, first thing, do you like the forecast? Do you agree with the forecast? All right. So if you don't like it, if you don't agree with the forecast, you are not going to use it. Yes or no? Sometimes you may not agree with the forecast. You may not accept the forecast, but the forecast may happen to be accurate. All right. That's one thing. The second thing is that we should bear in our mind is that any Elliott wave forecast, even with the best guru, from the best guru or not, can fail. That's it. So don't take the Elliott wave forecast as a guarantee, as an exact science that this guy has been doing this for years. He's never wrong. He's never going to be wrong. I'll put all my saving onto it, and okay, everything will work well. That's completely crazy. The financial market, all right. There's nothing guaranteed. There's nothing 1 + 1 = 2. So understand that the forecast can fail. The expectation may not happen. All right. So that's the second thing. So you may agree or disagree. All right. If you like it, you don't like it, you may not use it. Okay, it's up to you. All right. Second thing, understand that the forecast may not be accurate, or the expectation may not happen. The third thing that we can do to handle the Elliott wave forecast is, after they give us the forecast, we now switch our attention to the price, okay, action. All right? That's the most important. So that's the best approach to handle it. So they say it's going to go up, or they say it's going to go down. What does it mean? If it's going to go up, it will form higher lows, higher high. It will break resistances. That's how we know it's going to go up or not. Until that time, all right, it's just an expectation. If it's going to go down, the price will start showing lower lows, lower high, breaking support level, or finding a resistance below support level. All right. So those are the few things we need to bear in our mind. So once now we receive that forecast, so now I'm looking at this chart, say, okay, we're expecting it to go out. What's going on here? Okay, so look what the price is. So don't pay attention to the price itself. So after 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, now we have another triangle. Can you see the triangle? Where the triangle is telling us. So we have 1, 2, 3. So can you see 1, 2, 3? Then we have 1, 2. We are expecting it to go up. But now we are expecting it to go up. Now we have a triangle. So what can we think here? So if you are expecting it to go out, so now we have a triangle, it becomes very, very interesting. So now we have the information, we have the Elliott wave forecast. Now we are trying to deal with the forecast and handle it so we may gain from it. So now we can say, so as soon as you see any triangle, as I've been telling traders at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, the channel that I promised trader will be amazing. I still have to work hard for that. All right. So I'm working hard on it. So as soon as we see any triangle, as I mentioned to traders at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, all right, if we see, so we must give priority to bullish signal above any triangle, give priority to bearish signal below any triangle. So if we see a higher low above this triangle, or a candlestick bar pop its head, break out nicely, then we will say, oh, it's heading up. Then we implement a top-down trading method after that candlestick bar is closed. I'm on the monthly chart, so that monthly candlestick bar is closed. Then, okay, then we implement top-down trading method to trade it. So priority to bullish signal above the triangle here. So which means our 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The 2 is now a triangle. Now we are expecting, instead of the 3 popping up here, all right, now it's going to pop up somewhere here. See what's happening now? Though the forecast was that we'll see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then the third one we're expecting it to continue to go up like this. It didn't go up like this. So it's just going horizontal a bit. You see, so there is a change. So at this point in time, somebody may think and say, why, George, the forecast didn't work this time. Sorry, man. Okay? So, but it's not finished yet, because all the price doing, this is what I'm talking about, the Elliott wave count is one step at a time. So we're at that point in time, it lose to us. We were expecting it to continue to go up in an orderly manner without wasting our time. But here they are wasting our time in a triangle. The triangle is alerting us that anything is possible. Now, with the forecast that we have, our expectation was that the price will continue to go up to the level of $250, even to the $304 zone. But now we see a triangle, we know that, okay, it's not straightforward as we were expecting it. We need to now play it carefully, paying attention to the market pattern. See, this is a triangle, all right? Here it is. It breaks the bow. We implement a bullish trend setup. Okay. We implement top down to the middle to trade it up. We dip below the triangle, while though our expectation is that it's going to go up, well, we can't ignore the price action. So we need to, by handling, or if you want to handle your area with forecast, you must now, once the forecast is given, you now concentrate on the price action following the price. So if the price heading into the expectation direction, well, we are winning. So you are now ready to take it up. So what is happening now? Professionals are buying this stock at the base of that triangle, the early buyers. So yeah, they're buying on the edge of that triangle. Is it going to pop out or pop down? Looks to me it's likely to pop up. All right. You see? So you receive to summarize this video, one more thing before I close this video, one more thing, that is the reason why is we are having this scenario. I posted a video also today when I was talking about how to avoid Elliott wave clash with Fibonacci traders. All right. So that video was posted at 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel, digit 2, digit 4 Elliott Waves. Okay, YouTube channel. The title of that video: How to Avoid Elliott Wave Analysis Clash with Fibonacci traders. Now, here again, I explained to trader in that video that when the first leg of the correction is in place, so you see, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. This is the first leg of the correction. It's in place. Very often, we have what we call the clash between the Elliott wave traders and the Fibonacci traders. And I talk about it in that video. You can watch it so you may understand that what is happening here also is part of that clash between the Elliott wave traders and the Fibonacci traders. All right? It's part of that clash, okay? But this stock right now, it looks more bullish than bearish, and the expectation is that it may continue to go up. This is about, okay, handling, okay, the Elliott wave forecast like a pro. So first thing first, all right? You receive the Elliott wave forecast, you look at it. If you don't like it, you may decide not to use it at all. You do not have to use the Elliott wave forecast, whether you purchase it from somebody or blah, 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 or an expert give it to you, you don't like it, you don't, then you are not going to use it, okay? Or you like it, and then you use it. All right? Sometimes you may look at the forecast, you may disagree with the forecast, but the forecast may end up being, okay, accurate, and you say, all right, they told me that this guy is the expert, I ignore him. All right, now look at that, I missed that opportunity. Next time, I'll take every signal that this guy gave me. It's wrong, because it can be right today, tomorrow it may be wrong, okay? Now, the next thing that you need to bear in mind is that any type of Elliott wave forecast can fail. Doesn't matter whether the person have 100 years of experience or has been doing it all the time, and so far never had any, okay, have never made any mistakes. Just understand that any Elliott wave forecast may not be fulfilled. It's an expectation and may not be fulfilled and can fail. That's the second thing. So with those two things, okay, you are now on your way to handle like a pro the Elliott wave forecast. The third part, the third step is about once the forecast you receive it, okay, you know what they told you. They say it's going to go up. This is zigzag. This is a flat correction. This is going to be a combination. Blah blah blah. And now you receive your forecast. Okay, now you're sitting there. What should I do? Okay, you agree. You don't agree. Okay, you accept. You don't accept. You like it. You don't like it. Do you want to use it or do you want to not use it? You make that decision. Okay, good. You bear in your mind that okay, all right, any forecast can fail. But okay, You have to control the risk now. So the third part is very, very important for technical traders. Now you want to switch your attention to the price action. What is happening here? We have a triangle. We can't ignore it. How do you trade a triangle? If they say it's going to go up, now you must break resistances. One resistance is the top of the triangle. Must display high lows, high high. Where are they? We want to see them. So if start forming high low, high high, you know that it's heading in that direction. Okay? If they say if they say the stock will go down, right, must form lower lows, lower high. Must break below support level, must find a resistance below support level. Must break below the base of a triangle. Look for bearish trending setup, okay? And so on and so on. If there's no bearish trending setup, but they say that it's going to go down, well, there's nothing. So this is how you want to handle, okay, your area wave forecast. So as you are paying attention to the price action, the price structure, the market pattern, and so on, you are looking for trending setup because you want to buy, you want to sell. Where are the trending setup? Right now, people are buying near the base here, and they are selling at the top. You want to buy, so you look for breakouts, okay, both high low above the triangle, and then once you see, so the forecast says it's going to go up. Now you see a bullish trending setup. Don't just buy, okay? Unless you are buying a call option, and you have enough time for your call option to pay you before it expires. Use different time frame trading method to control the risk. So like this now, it looks very bullish, yes or no, all right? So now the next step, go and check the news relating to Baidu. Go to Google Financial Economy News relating to Baidu. Also, click on a related company, see what's happening in that sector, the competitors, all right, the related company, the peers for this Baidu, what's happening. Check the market, okay, talking about the trading triangle. Because now everything looks good, you say, well, George, we're not wrong. Okay, well, it's going to go up there. But check the news, check the economy news, apply the trading triangle, the market first, the sector, before individual financial instruments. For new trader, it can be a little bit too much. You say, George, I don't want to know. George, I don't want to know. All right? But go one step at a time, okay? One step at a time, okay? I think I've said enough, okay? If there's something else that I've missed, okay, let us know in the comment section. If you have any question or suggestion, okay, put in the comment section, and in due course, all right, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question, all right. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to handle area wave forecast like a pro. If you think that this video has been useful to you, all right, give us the thumbs up. All right, if you think that this is another blah 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 George, all right, give us the thumbs down. So this will put us under pressure, so we may improve our recording next time. If you think this video is amazing, well, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders. Speak to you soon. This is about how to handle area wave forecasts like a pro.